to test some operators which are useful for that, like that, if you use the in this fashion, uh, not find the key. Okay. Yes. Suppose that if you take the here A and B, this is bitwise operator. You display the result 0. This is 0. Why this is 0? Or suppose if you take the numbers like that and B and supposed to be 13. What it display? It displays 12. Why it display 12? Yes, anybody else? Why it display 12? 12 bitwise ANDing 13. Why it display 12? Yes, anybody else? All of you are seeing the operations of all the operators, the result of 12 and 13, and in the bitwise operator here, why the result is 12? Yes, anybody else? The explanation is here. Suppose if you want to, if you must have to translate this 12 and 13 in binary first. Suppose if you want to translate this binary of 12 is, what is binary of 12? Binary of 12 is 1101. Okay, all of you know that 1101. Binary of 13 is 1101. Okay, means what? Now you can perform the ANDing of 1100 and 1101. What is the ANDing? The ANDing is 12. If you perform the ANDing of these operator is the 12. Means what? ANDing of 12 and 13 means what? 0, 1. Output is what? Output is what? Yes, 0. What is the result you got? 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Is very important. What is the output? Output is here 1, 1, 0, 0, like that. Because we perform the ANDing of both bits. This is 0 and this is 1, this is 0. This is 0 and this is 0, this is 0. This is 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, this is ANDing. And that's why the result is what? 12. If you take the ORing of 12, OR is the operator here, OR is the operator, sorry. Thirteen. Result is 13. You can check again the ORing of both bits. The result is 13. You have to translate 12 and 13 in binary form and perform the AND and OR operations of these operators, like that. So in this fashion, 12 and this 13, what is this? 1. What is 1? This is bitwise XOR. If you calculate the bitwise XOR of 12 and 13, it can display 1. These are the basic operations that we can see and display the basic operations of the bitwise ANDing and all types of operators, like that. So now, what do you mean by program is very important for us. What do you mean by program? Can we write program in shell? Yes, anybody else? Can you write program in shell? Yes. कोणी सांगेल मला? The commands that we display here, the operations that we display here is using the shell. But whenever we have tried to write 3-4 lines of sequence of instruction in shell, it cannot accept, because shell is not the editor. Shell is not the editor. Shell is used for performing the command line applications or command type applications. For writing the program, we must have to use the editors of Python. Which editor we install? Which interpreter we are using in Python? Yes?
PyCharm.
PyCharm. Very correct answer. And now we are discussing PyCharm. What is PyCharm? All of you know that last time we installed PyCharm. And now